friends, welcome back to my channel Nautical Nails. First of all, a very happy new year to you all guys. Dealing with the pandemic in 2020 will make us hope that this year goes very well, and I'm really sorry for the late wish. So let's begin with the video now. If you are new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe. So I put a lot of my stuff on my Insta and Facebook, so don't forget to follow me on my Insta and Facebook. In today's video, I am going to review Nykaa facial oil. So when we talk about facial oils, anonymous questions come into our mind like how to use it, when to use it, how to add it in our daily skincare routine. So to know the answers, keep watching the video till the end. So first question is what facial oil does to our skin. Facial oils are very important for our skin because they help to maintain a healthy balance. Otherwise your skin will get dry and it will cause you breakouts, wrinkles and fine lines. So it is very important to nourish and hydrate your skin with facial oils. Second question that arises in mind is should we put facial oil before or after moisturizer and serum? So in both the cases, with the moisturizer and the serum and moisturizer goes first and then the facial oil. Best time to use these facial oils is before applying the makeup, and you can also add it in your skincare routine. Now we talk about the benefits of the face oil. The first benefit is it soaks very easily into your skin. It gives you a warm feeling. The more you rub it on your skin, it gives you more warmer feeling. It acts as a primer as well, so you don't actually need any kind of primer in your skin when you use it. It calms down the redness on your skin. Some people deal with a lot of rashes on their faces, some acne marks and different kind of problems. It helps to reduce them. It helps in banishing blemishes like discoloration, uneven skin, dark spots. It reduces that also, and it gives you a very natural looking skin. So let's talk about Nykaa facial oils. So they come in this kind of packaging, as you can see right here. So the advantage of these bottles are they are very travel friendly and they are very compact, so it is a good advantage of them. So first I bought this Radiant Beauty facial oil. This was the first facial oil that went on my skin because I have never used any kind of facial oil. So this was the first. After using it for a month, I really saw a lot of difference on my skin. My skin got more clear, more smoother. I had another problem of pigmentation. Then I bought this anti-pigmentation by Nykaa facial oil. So it gave a very good effect in just 2 weeks. I used it for 2 weeks according to the method it should be used. I have used it and I really saw a lot of difference. My pigmentation, my tanning went off, and my skin got very clear. So both these facial oils are very useful for me. So why I have chosen Nykaa facial oils? Because they come in 10 different kinds with different problems. They are like anti-pollution, anti-pigmentation, 24K gold, overnight repair, anti-acne, superfoods, anti-aging, dull and dry, glow boosting and radiant beauty. So I have chosen 2 variants of Nykaa facial oils according to my skin. You can choose according to yours. Yes, they are very beneficial, at least for my skin, because every person have their own different kind of skin. I'm not telling for every other person, but I'm telling for myself. Whatever facial oil I've chosen, the 2 variations, it suited my skin and it is giving me the whole solution to it. But guys, there is a thing about these facial oils that they have a very strong Ayurvedic smell, but that's not a problem. If they are healing and helping, it's all good to go. Guys, they are a bit expensive. I bought them from a sale, so you can wait for a sale and then you can buy it. They will come in a not very low prices but a bit lower price, and you can buy them in the sale also. A very important question, how to apply these facial oils. You need to take 3 to 4 drops on your palm, rub your hand and then just tap on your skin and it will get absorbed in your skin. Hope you like the video. If you like it, you know what you need to do. You need to click on the like button. If you want to say something to me, do comment below. If you want to watch more such videos, just subscribe to my channel Nautical Nails. Till then, hashtag keep nailing it.